self-lover. My name is Becky Matsufeo and I'm one of the Samoan group leaders of Manurewa High School. Right now we're currently working on one of our songs, which is the Bese Leaso.
Make sure you guys are cutting it. And yeah. Try the first line please so I can hear it. Ta ta ta.
The most challenging thing of being a leader is trying to, get everyone's attention when we're trying to learn new things, especially when they're like out playing and they're just mucking around. It's hard for everyone to just be quiet. My relationship with the other leaders and tutors it's great. We're really close from past groups. But there's also times where we're not on the same page with some things and that there'd be moves where we disagree on because, it wouldn't be suitable for the choreo and that.
Personally, I like coming up with unique and big actions. And then if sometimes we come up with, for example, one of the leaders come up with simple actions, it kind of ticks me off. But then we always find ways to make that action a lot bigger and make it more unique. And that's how we find ways to get each other on the same page and we get through those trials and tribulations. I found it kind of challenging when not everyone turned up to practices.
It's always a couple of people coming this day and then they'll come the next day and other people are not there. Some people still forget actions sometimes, even though we've been over again. I have faith in them, even though it was a struggle in the start of practices, but we've come a long way.
I reckon we will be ready by then because right now we're not 100%, but we're 50-50.
Not everyone's comfortable enough yet. So, I just wanted our group to be tight so that we can work faster and feel more comfortable around each other.